This is a 1990 Ford F-250 done here at Tech Auto Collision. Truck is owned by the father of Andrew B. Noel, a second-year student at the time. Worked on with a crew of first years and second years. It was a complete refinish. Platinum silver poly on black. Came out very, very clean. Very clean. As you can see, it's a high reflection. The roof was oil can pretty bad. Still needs cab lights. It's not fully assembled at this time. New headlights, new tail lights. See there, inner tape line. The jams are clean as well. I'm going to clean the interior before the truck is to be picked up.